Yes, thank you for the opportunity to present here. I'm called Vincent Olema, manager for finance administration, and also at the same time, I'm the innovation or startup coach for East African Entrepreneurs Association. East African Entrepreneurs Association is an association for entrepreneurs in East Africa region. The 8 countries: Kenya, Tanzania, Rwanda, Burundi, South Sudan, Democratic Republic of Congo, Burundi. Now we have Tanzania, and also at the same time we have Somali Republic. So for us, we as Eaea, we welcome every entrepreneur, youth, women, men. For us, we are social enterprise of entrepreneurs, and we are inclusive. Whether you are doing music, you are doing agriculture, and also other businesses that people do. And also at the same time, we encourage green and blue economy entrepreneurs. This will help us to protect our environment. People who are into recycling, people are using technologies that can save our environment. We welcome you to join our association. We have so many activities, opportunities are many under East African Entrepreneurs Association. You can always reach our website, the East African Entrepreneurs Association.org, and we shall also, you can always visit our office in Luzira, next to Luzira Secondary School. At the same time, we are now reaching out to our entrepreneurs, visiting them. Today, we are privileged to be hosted by Kutokea Initiative, is one of our members, and they have organized a program, event to promote entrepreneurship in their region. That is the Rukiga and next to Kabale district. So if you have an event, you are a member, even if you are not our member, we always be there to showcase the product or the services that you offer to your community or in the business value chain. So with that, I beg to stop here. Thank you.